Hello student, welcome to Mathematics Standard 6 Unit 2, which is Factors and Multiples, in which we are going to solve the problems based on HCF and LCM. We are going to discuss some problems based on HCF and LCM in which you are feeling some difficulties. So I am going to clear some questions. On the basis of this video, you can easily solve all your problems given in the various worksheets. So let's start. Question number 1, worksheet 5. Find the HCF of the following number by factor method. You can easily solve this question on the basis of factor method. You have to write the factor and found the highest common factor among them. Similarly, question number 2 and question number 3. In question number 2, you have to find HCF by prime factorization. First, you have to write all the prime factors of 76, then all the prime factors of 28, and you have to select the highest common factor among them. In question number 3, you have to use the division method to find out the HCF. Now come from question number 4 to 8, in which the question is given in statement in which student feel difficulties. So let's come to question number 4. In question number 4, the given questions are: A. Two consecutive natural numbers. Means you have to find the HCF of two consecutive natural numbers. Consecutive means दो लगातार नेचुरल नंबर्स का आपको HCF फाइंड आउट करना है. तो टू कंसेक्यूटिव नेचुरल नंबर्स आप कुछ भी ले सकते हैं, like 1 2 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 and many more. You can take any two consecutive natural number and you have to find out the HCF of that two numbers. After finding HCF of two consecutive numbers of some different numbers, you will be able to see that in every condition you are getting the HCF 1, because two consecutive numbers have none other than common factor than 1. So the HCF of two consecutive natural numbers is equal to 1. Now question number 2. Two consecutive even numbers. In this question you have to find out the HCF of two consecutive even numbers. मीन्स दो लगातार इवन नंबर्स का आपको फाइंड आउट करना है. फर्स्ट में हमने कंसेक्यूटिव नेचुरल नंबर का फाइंड आउट किया, बट इन क्वेश्चन नंबर बी यू हैव टू फाइंड आउट द HCF ऑफ टू कंसेक्यूटिव इवन नंबर्स लाइक 2 4 4 6 6 8 and many more. You can write any two consecutive even number to solve this question. So let's take 4 and 6. In every condition the answer will be same. So find the HCF of 4 and 6. You can find the HCF of 4 and 6 is equal to 2. So the HCF of two consecutive even numbers are, after finding, we find that the answer is 2. Now come to question C. Two consecutive odd numbers. Similarly, you can take any two consecutive odd numbers like 1 3 3 5 5 and 7 and many more, and you can easily find the HCF of the given numbers. Now last question number D. Any two prime numbers. In question D, you have to take any two prime number, not necessarily they are consecutive. You can take any two prime numbers like 2 3 3 5 5 7 and find the HCF by division method or factor method. You can find the answer. Now come to question number 5. Find the greatest number which divides 203 and 434, leaving remainder 5 in each cases. Means आपको फाइंड आउट करना है वो नंबर जिससे हम 203 एंड 434 को डिवाइड करें तो बोथ कंडीशंस में रिमाइंडर 5 ही मिले. मीन्स वैसा ग्रेटेस्ट नंबर फाइंड आउट करना है जिससे हम 203 एंड 434 को डिवाइड करें तो इन बोथ कंडीशन रिमाइंडर विल बी 5. So let's come to the solution. First number 203, second number 434, and required remainder is equal to 5. So we have to subtract 5 from both the given numbers. So first number became 198, second number 429. Now you have to find the HCF of these two numbers 198 and 429. You can use any one method to find the HCF like division method or prime factorization method. So you can use any method to find out the HCF and you will find that 33 is the required number by which you can divide 203 and 434 to get 5 as remainder. Now question number 6. Find the greatest number which will divide 625 and 1433, leaving remainder 5 and 3 respectively. In question number 5, you have to find out the number leaving remainder same from both number, but in question number 6, you have to find out the number which when divide the given numbers and leave remainder 5 from first number and 3 from second number. So given numbers is 625 and 433 and required remainders are 5 and 3. So just subtract the given remainders from the given number. First number becomes 620 and second number becomes 1430. Now you have to find out the HCF of the number 620 and 1430 to find the required answer. I have used division method for the HCF and find the answer 10 as the required answer. In this question you can also use the prime factorization method, so it depends on you which method you are going to use. Now come to question number 7. Question number 7. The length, breadth and height of a room are 8.25 meter, 6.75 meter and 4.50 meter respectively. Determine the longest tape which can measure 3 dimensions of the room exactly. You have to find the longest size of the tape which can measure the length, breadth and height of the given room. Means किसी रूम का लेंथ, ब्रेथ एंड हाइट गिवन है, आपको वैसे लॉन्गेस्ट टेप का मेजरमेंट फाइंड आउट करना है जिससे आप इजिली लेंथ, ब्रेथ एंड हाइट तीनों को मेजर कर सके। मीन्स आपको ये समझना है कि हमको कोई भी उसका फैक्टर्स ही निकालना होगा जिससे हम इजिली गिवन लेंथ, ब्रेथ एंड हाइट को मेजर कर सकते हैं। अगर वो उसका फैक्टर नहीं हुआ तो आप उसको मेजर नहीं कर सकते हैं। लाइक 9 को मेजर करने के लिए हम उसके फैक्टर्स का ही पैरामीटर यूज करेंगे तभी मेजर कर सकते हैं। लाइक 9 को मेजरमेंट करने के लिए अगर हम 3 का यूज करें तो 3 टाइम्स मेजर करेंगे तो 9 कंप्लीट हो जाएगा। बट if you choose 4 to measure 9, you can't measure the whole length. आप 9 को 4 से मेजर करेंगे तो 1 times 4, 2 times 8 और लास्ट 1 मीटर वो रिमेनिंग रह जाएगा, आप एग्जैक्टली मेजर नहीं कर सकते हैं। तो HCF के कंडीशन में आप इसको माइंड में अच्छे से समझेंगे कि व्हाई वी आर फाइंडिंग HCF ऑफ द गिवन क्वेश्चंस। हम यहाँ HCF क्यों निकाल रहे हैं, LCM क्यों नहीं निकाल सकते हैं। तो इसी के एनालिसिस में मैंने आपको बताया कि किसी भी चीज को एग्जैक्ट मेजर करने के लिए उसका फैक्टर होना जरूरी है, अदरवाइज यू कांट मेजर ऑल द पार्ट्स ऑफ द गिवन नंबर्स। So here given length, breadth and heights are 8.25, 6.75 and 4.50। ये सभी मीटर में दिए हुए हैं। तो डेसिमल को रिमूव करने के लिए हमने इसको सेंटीमीटर में चेंज कर दिया, मल्टीप्लाई बाय 100 और फाइंड आउट हुआ लेंथ इक्वल टू 825 सेंटीमीटर, ब्रेथ इक्वल टू 675 सेंटीमीटर एंड हाइट इक्वल टू 450 सेंटीमीटर। और जैसा हम लोगों ने अभी डिस्कस किया, समझाया मैंने कि द लेंथ ऑफ रिक्वायर्ड टेप विल बी द HCF ऑफ द गिवन नंबर्स। मीन्स इस तीनों का जो HCF होगा वही लॉन्गेस्ट मेजरमेंट ऑफ टेप होगा जिससे हम इजिली तीनों गिवन लेंथ, ब्रेथ एंड हाइट को इजिली मेजर कर सकते हैं। सो फाइंड आउट द HCF ऑफ 825, 675 एंड 450 सेंटीमीटर। तो अब जब इसका HCF निकालेंगे तो हमारा आंसर आएगा 75 सेंटीमीटर। अगर आप इसको मीटर यूनिट में कन्वर्ट करेंगे तो 0.75 मीटर। इस दोनों यूनिट में आप आंसर को लिख सकते हैं। सो इस तरह हमने क्वेश्चन नंबर 7 सोल्व किया। अब नाउ कम टू क्वेश्चन नंबर 8। क्वेश्चन नंबर 8 इज आल्सो सेम एज क्वेश्चन नंबर 7 but the statement is little different from the question number 7. In question number 8 there are 312 mango bites, 260 eclairs and 156 coffee bites in a box। एक बॉक्स में 312 मैंगो बाइट है, 260 eclairs and 156 coffee bites। These are to be put in packets so that each packets contain the same number of toffees। Previous question में आपने देखा कि longest size of tape which can measure all the given dimensions। Similarly इस क्वेश्चन में दिया है कि put in packet so that each packet contains the same number of toffees. Means the number of toffees must be the factor of the given number of toffees. Means factor of 312, factor of 260, and factor of 156. So again, you have to find the HCF of the given numbers, and you can use any one of the method, either division method or prime factorization method. Using any method, you will find the answer 52. So 52 is the required maximum number of toffees which can be packed into one packet. So we have completed the question based on HCF. In next classes, we will solve the question based on LCM. So try to solve all the question on the basis of the video. Thank you. Thank you.